Sports na big business for Naija. Presido Buhari na im tok dis one. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don appreciate di athletes wey do well for di Commonwealth World Championship, say dem bring glory and honour to Naija. E con tok say sports na ogbonge business for Naija, make organisation join body to support am.
12 times the world stood still as our green, white, green national flag was hoisted and the national anthem recited. I watched with millions of Nigerians those exciting moments when we all brought smiles to us and our homes by breaking world, national, and games records, as well as achieving personal best in your careers. You brought glory and honor to our country. And today, on behalf of the nation, I say thank you. I thank you for competing among the best in the world and displaying the God-given attributes of the real Nigerian: never give up, strive to the end. Sport is now business in Nigeria, and I urge more organizations to support the government in investing in our sportsmen and women.
Pauline Talin, wey be di Minister of Women Affairs, and Mustapha, wey be di Secretary to Government of the Federation, con congratulate di athletes and tok say some of di women dem go induct dem to the Nigerian Women Hall of Fame.
We will continue from where you stopped, Mr. President, to celebrate these great Amazons, where some of the golden girls will be inducted into the Nigerian Women Hall of Fame.
Congratulations, our worthy athletes and ambassadors. This is just a starting point for you in your careers as you exhibit the true sense of Nigerian patriotism.
Sunday Dare, wey be di Minister of Youth and Sport Development, con thank Buhari for im administration support to sport.
This presidential reception stands as adroit testimony to your belief that Nigeria's road to greatness, though sometimes bumpy, cannot be denied. It is assured. Nigeria, under your administration, has served notice that it will show up, it will compete for every laurel available, not only in sports, but also in youth development, in economic progress, in social emancipation, in political development.
They can award the athletes with ogbonge award. Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make una remember, say your PVC na your power. No go say your vote for any politician or political party.